Hello beautiful people, this is Ankita Bhardwaj. Welcome to the channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings and monthly predictions. Now if you are interested, then please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Today I am here with a pick a card reading on how your August month is going to be, or what you can expect in this month, what is the guidance for this month and what you need to do to prepare yourself for this month. Now before you pick the piles, I want you to take 3 long deep breaths, connect to yourself, try to connect to your intuitions, and then try to pick the accurate pile, the pile that is calling towards you. I have 3 piles in front of you. The first one is black tourmaline, second is rose quartz, and the third one here is moonstone. I will be moving forward with my first pile, which is black tourmaline. In the description box below, I will be giving the timestamp so you can forward it towards your reading. Hello to the people who picked this crystal, black tourmaline, the crystal of psychic protection, the crystal to release negativity, and the crystal to repel all the negative energies around you. Now let's move forward and see what is coming in the month of August for this pile who picked black tourmaline. King of Cups, Queen of Wands, the Magician, okay, the Moon, and the 3 of Wands. Now first of all, I feel that this pile is feeling a little insecure. I don't think a lot insecure, to be honest. This pile is feeling very stuck, very stagnant in some situation. Or if you're not feeling stagnant, I'm trying to connect to a lot of people here, so take what resonates. I feel that this pile is a little stuck or a little stagnant. If not stagnant, then this pile is insecure about something in life. And this month, I think those insecurities are going to somehow be heightened. Your insecurities are stressing you, and in the future also, in this month, the insecurities can cause problem. So the guidance is to try to release the insecurity, to try to release the fear, because you have the Magician also here, which says that you can manifest anything you want. You have the power to manifest anything. You are a very positive soul. You see things in a very positive manner, but because of this insecurity, because of this negativity that is holding you back, the fear-based thoughts that is holding you back, somehow is manifesting something you don't want in life. So please try to be positive, try to enhance your intuitions, to know yourself in order to connect to yourself and to be positive. Next, I see Queen of Wands for you all. I do see that you all are very passionate about your career, about your love life, or anything in general. You're a very passionate personality, and the month of August, you are willing to take a step, or maybe you are wanting to take a step in life. It's just the insecurities are holding you back right now. So the guidance I can see in the cards right now is that you need to release that toxic energy, you need to release that insecurity in order to manifest something that you actually want and that you actually desire. Because I do see you desire something and you want it. I also see King of Cups here, so maybe emotions are very heightened right now, or in this month your emotions are going to be very heightened. Or this could be a message for some of you all that someone who is going to enter in your life, a very emotional, a very mature personality, somebody who's very stable in life, somebody who has a lot of emotions for you, who feels a lot for you. This kind of personality might be entering your life in the month of August. Or if you already have this personality in your life, then in the month of August you are going to get more closer to each other. You are going to depend on each other, and this person is somehow going to give you the strength to move forward and to release the toxic energies in your life. Now maybe you have been waiting for something for a long time, you have been waiting for something to happen. Maybe this is what the manifestation is about. Maybe you have been manifesting something, maybe you have been praying. If not manifesting, then maybe you have been praying about something in life, and now I do see that in the month of August that might be coming true. But you will need to have faith, you will need to have trust, you will need to be patient about any situation. Whatever the situation is, maybe this is a person who's going to enter your life, maybe you have been waiting for this person, or maybe this is your career related stuff. Whatever it is, I want you all to have faith, because in the month you are going to manifest it. Your dreams are going to come true. It's just that you need to release the insecurity, because the magician and the moon are the major arcanas. Now if you don't release the insecurity and the negativity or the toxic energies around you, you might manifest the negativity. So try to be positive, because things are looking up now. The bad phase is ending for you now. Something you have been waiting for is going to come in this month. You just need to be very, very positive, and you need to clear the toxic energies around you. Next, let's see what the angel cards are saying here. Okay, the sun, the world, and ace of earth. So as I said before, the sun message tells me here, happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success, have confidence in yourself. So whatever you have been waiting for, whatever you're wanting to work towards, please take that step. Please have confidence on yourself. The new ideas you are getting right now, the new beginning that is going to happen for you in the month of August, I do see some new beginning is going to happen for you. Things are going to turn for you. This is something you have been wanting for a very long time, and finally it's going to happen slowly. The outcome is going to be very, very happy, very positive. All you need to do is just have confidence and clear the negativity, or clear the insecurity that is holding you back from taking these big major steps in life. Okay, next, the world card, again a major arcana card, tells me a job well done, joy, contentment, and gratitude, the path toward enlightenment. So I think this is a very clear message to the pile 1 black tourmaline, that whatever you're wanting to start, whatever opportunities you're getting in this month, please accept those opportunities, because time is very good for you. The job you are doing, the maybe romantic life, if it's related to your romantic life, it's going to blossom. You just need to have faith, you just need to concentrate, you just need to have confidence and positivity. Because if you don't, see, this is a major arcana card, the moon, if you don't release the negativity, it might actually manifest. Now the next message from the angel cards is the inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contracts. Maybe this is you wanting to start a new business, maybe you have started a business and you are wanting to take another step in your business. Maybe this is about a job, you are getting a job, new job in your maybe you're getting a promotion. That is also the message I'm getting here. Whatever it is going to be a success. The inflow of abundance is here in the month of August for the pile black tourmaline. Please release the insecurity, please release the toxic energies, because the cards are very happy. The sun is the actually happiest card in the deck. I think this pile is a very good pile. If you pick this pile, then things are looking up for you. The guidance is that whatever you are wanting to start, it's a clear indication that you can go ahead with it. It's a clear indication that it will work for you, it is going to blossom. But the guidance is also to not to think anything negative about it. Now let's see what's coming for your romantic life here. First is romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So if you have a romantic partner in your life, then these feelings are worth exploring. Please explore your person, explore yourself, know the other person. The feelings are very genuine from both the sides, and it's a genuine connection that you have in life. And if you are not in a connection or not in a relationship right now, you're not committed, then the guidance is to have faith to wait, and someone for sure, maybe this is also the message for you, that somebody who's very emotional about you, who has a lot of feelings for you, is going to enter in your life. You just need to have faith. The feelings are actually worth exploring from both of your sides. Maybe this is what you want. If you want, it can manifest. The things are looking up this month. The next message for your romantic life is trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So if you are in a relationship and you're dealing with some problems in your relationship currently, the situation is calling for you to have trust, because in the future it is going to turn into something very beautiful. You are going to start something new. Maybe your romantic life is going to ascend to another level. So just have faith right now. Maybe the phase is not good, or maybe the toxic energies surrounding you are holding you back from expressing to each other, not being able to explore each other's love. So try to release that insecurity. And if you're not in a relationship, then again the card is saying have faith, have the trust. You are going to manifest the romantic partner you actually deserve in your life very soon in the month of August. Now let's see what is the guidance or what you need to work on in order to proceed with this month. First I have the Destroyer. Okay, makes sense. Then I have Friend of Enemy, again makes sense. And then Pure Devotees. Okay, now first card, the Destroyer, tells me that obviously the Moon. You need to destroy the negativity around you. You need to destroy the negative people. And by destroy, I don't mean to do something or take any action about it. No, just release it. Just take a step back from the negativity. Take a step back from the insecurities holding you back. Release all the insecurities. Release the toxic energies around you. Another thing I have for you that you need to work on yourself this month is friend or enemy, which means that your mind is your enemy. That's right. There's maybe people are disturbing you, maybe negative people around you are disturbing you, but you are letting them disturb you. You are giving them the power to disturb you. So in that manner, please control your mind. Have the self-control, because your mind can be your best friend if your mind is balanced and if you know your own mind, if your mind is controlled in every manner. If you don't have all these negativity, insecurity in your mind, then it is your best of friends. But if you're not able to control your mind, if you're panicking a lot, if you are letting these toxic energies grab you or disturb you in any way, then your own mind can be your enemy. This is what you need to work on this month, if it helps. And then the next card here is Pure Devotees. Now this means that whatever new you are starting, whatever in life you're wanting to do, whatever job opportunity you're getting, just be devoted to it. Be confident about it, or don't let the negativity distract you from your path, because this can be your life purpose. This can be something you are meant to do. It's just that you need to release the toxic energies. You in order to have the pleasure you want, in order to have what you desire, you need to devote yourself to your work, towards the people coming in your life, new people entering your life, or already if you're in a relationship, or already if you have this business that you're wanting to take a step, wanting to ascend, then please purely be devoted towards your work and don't let all the negativity distract you. So alright, that was all I had for August month 2020. If you liked, then please comment down below. If it resonated, then please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon button. Hello beautiful people, if you have picked this pile, rose quartz, then this reading is for you. Let's see what is coming for you in the month of August, what you can expect, what's the guidance for you, and what you need to do to prepare yourself for this month. Okay, I have 10 of Swords, Page of Cups, 5 of Wands, and Knight of Swords. Okay, now the first thing I see for The pile rose quartz says that you are dealing with a lot of conflict, a lot of inner conflicts, a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, maybe laziness, and not being able to focus, not being able to concentrate, not being able to work, not being able to focus on your romantic life or on your career life or even your own health. Maybe this stress or anxiety is also causing a problem to your health. But I also see that this month things are going to slightly take a change for you all. I do see that something rapidly is coming towards you. It can be something you have been waiting for, something you have been, or maybe this is you, that maybe you are in a rush to start something in your life, you are in a rush to get into contact with someone, you're in a rush to, offer someone something, or maybe this is a message. I'm trying to connect to a lot of people here, so take what resonates. Maybe I'm also getting the message that somebody is going to come up with an apology this month. Somebody is going to offer, if not apology, then someone is going to offer you something this month, and it is going to be a very hasty decision for you also and for the other person also. You both are the communication is going to be very hasty, the communication is going to be very rapid. You won't even know how it happened, you won't even realize until you're talking to them. Or this could be that some opportunity in your career life coming towards you this month. But the guidance here is to not to take any rapid decisions or not to take any hasty decisions, because that can turn into some argument, heated up conversation with someone, maybe with the people you work, or maybe in your romantic life, maybe with your friends. It can be anything. So if you have been waiting for some apology, then please take it, have patience when they come up with an apology. Or if you are going with an apology towards someone, please have patience, don't be in a rush. Try to know what the other person is trying to say, try to listen. And if the other person is, if you're waiting for an apology, because I do see that somebody here is waiting for an apology. If you are waiting for an apology, then whatever communication comes your way, try to be patient about it and try to handle it in a very patient manner. Now I also see that some difficult situation is going to end for you this month. You're going to release something, you're going to end a part, because 10 of swords, that means completion of something, completion of the difficult phase. Finally the difficult phase is going to end. If you have been in a fight with somebody, then soon this fight is going to end, and apology is coming your way, or maybe you are going with an apology. So please relax. Please try to control your mind, try to be patient, try to control this situation in the very best possible manner you can. Now let's see what the angel cards are saying here. Okay, first card is the High Priestess. Listen to your intuition, have patience, consider carefully what you want before acting. Now this card again is resonating with this one, Knight of Swords, which means hasty, anything happening very rapid, in a very rapid manner. So please try to have patience with whatever situation. Maybe it's not apology, fights, argument, maybe it's with your career, maybe it's with your work environment, it can be any situation, maybe it's with your family. Just have patience. Try to listen to your intuition, try to connect to yourself, try to listen what the other person has to say to you, consider carefully what you want, and try not to act in a very indecisive manner. Try to take a step back, try to know what you exactly want, and then take a step towards whatever it is you're wanting to take a step. Now don't give up, protect that which you have created, have courage and believe in yourself. So for sure this month something is going to happen which is going to make you feel stressed, which is going to disturb you, which is going to cause some problems for you. But in that situation also, the message here is to don't give up. Just protect that you have created yourself, whatever it is, if it's a friendship, if it's a relationship, if it's your career, whatever you have created, don't just let it go by giving up on any situation. Believe in yourself, have courage that this situation is soon going to end. There is going to be a completion of this difficult situation. It's just you will have to face all this in order to learn something, in order to release the negativity, in order to have patience, in order to know what you exactly want, in order to know what your intuition is guiding you towards. Okay, now next message here is being too frivolous or too cautious with money, good business decisions, giving to those less fortunate. So this month, I think your main task is going to be to control yourself, to control your mind, to control your life, to control people around you maybe. So that is going to be a scenario. You are going to make good decisions, no doubt, but the decisions can be hasty, the decisions can be rapid. So take care of that, because that can cause some problem for you in this month. Now try doing some charity this month. Try giving to the less fortunate. Try to maintain in order to maintain a balance in your life, in order to maintain a balance with the people around you. I want you all to give, because when we take, we need to give also. We need to do something for this world in order to take from this world, from this universe. So if you want to control, if you want to be balanced, if you want to have the self-control this month, please try to do some charity or help the less fortunate, help anyone in general. Okay, let's see what is coming for your romantic life this month. Okay, first message is financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. So the message coming here is that maybe financially you're going to deal with some problems, and if you're in a relationship, then that can be a problem for your romantic life, because that can obviously disturb you and disturb your partner also. If you're keeping too busy, or if you are very stressed about your work, obviously somehow that is going to be reflected on your romantic life also. But the guidance is also clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So whatever you have been waiting for, if you're not waiting for anything, maybe something happens with somebody, if you fight with your partner, if you get in a very heated up conversation with your partner, if the chances are that you might have a feeling that you're about to separate or anything like that, don't worry, the difficult phase will end this month, and very soon you are going to get what you want. You are going to get what you deserve, what you desire, what you truly want in life. So don't worry, the difficult situation is also going to end. It is just going to happen in order to teach you something, because the high priestess is here. So for sure, with this happening, whatever is going to happen this month, better intuitions, better guidance is also coming for you this month. Now if you are not in a relationship, then soon somebody is going to come up with an offer. Somebody is going to offer you a cup of love. Somebody is going to come in your life very soon. Maybe you have imagined this person, maybe you already think about this person, and if you don't, then for sure somebody from your past maybe is going to come back towards you. Now let's see what you need to do in order to prepare yourself for this month. First one, I have rare souls. Second, I have approaching guru. And third one here is the sage. Now approaching guru somehow tells me that obviously this month is coming towards you for guidance, to teach you something. So whenever this situation arrives that you're not able to make a decision, everything is happening in a very rapid manner, everything is very hasty, just try to step back, know what you exactly want, and get the proper guidance from whoever you can. Maybe this can be your teacher, somebody from your friend list who can give you a good advice, your romantic partner, your anybody from your work environment. Just approach to someone for help, for guidance, because I see that this month somebody is going to give you some accurate advice, and that is going to help you a lot in order to connect to yourself and in order to know what your intuitions and what you actually want. Okay, the next one here is Rare Souls, which tells me that whatever difficult situation you're going to face, whatever argument you're going to get into, whatever heated up conversation you're going to get into, whether it's your work environment, whether it's your romantic life, or whether it's your friend, it can be anything. All you have to keep in mind is that you are pure, your intentions are pure, and you do not, you don't have to put yourself under stress. You don't have to ask yourself these questions that was I wrong, was I right, or did I do the right thing, am I a bad person, am I a horrible person. You don't have to think all that, because Rare Souls tells me that your intentions were pure. Maybe the intentions were pure from the both side, I can't exactly tell that, but your intentions were pure, and you just need to have faith that everything is happening for the best. Whatever is happening, it's only because this is just a lesson, this just a time that is going to pass. This phase is going to end. The difficult situation, whatever you get into, is going to teach you something and is going to end for sure. The Sage tells me that try to protect yourself from the negativity, try to protect yourself from your own negative mind, from your own negative thoughts, because you can actually manifest your negative thoughts if you do not have the right guidance, if you do not have the proper guidance. So you can ask for help. Please don't hold back your feelings. You can ask for help. You can ask your partner, you can ask your friends, you can ask anybody who you feel comfortable with, and protect yourself from the negative energies, from the negative people this month. This is what you need to do in order to prepare yourself for this month. This is all I have for the pile rose quartz. I hope it resonated. If it resonated, then please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Hello beautiful people, so let's get into the reading for the pile moonstone. So if you picked the moonstone, let's see what's coming for you in the month of August, what you can expect in this month, what is the guidance and what you need to do in order to prepare yourself for this month. Now first of all, I see Two of Swords, Strength, Major Arcana, Four Pentacles, Three of Cups and Three of Swords. So with this, I see that maybe this month is not going to be the exact perfect month you have been expecting, because some disappointment or some sorrow is in the store for this month. I'm very sorry about this, but some thing is going to happen in your life in this month which is going to break you, which is going to cause a lot of stress, which is going to disturb you in many ways. I feel that something is hidden from you right now. If you are in a relationship, then this could be that your partner is hiding something from you, and this month you might actually you might actually know what exactly he or she has been hiding from you. I do see that if you're in a relationship, then there's some third party situation going on and you are still not aware about it, or if you are aware, then this is going to cause many problems in the future for you in this month. So the guidance is to keep the strength and be patient and not let this negativity grab you. Release the negativity. Now if you are not in a relationship, then this could be that in some friendship or your work environment, some betrayal is going to happen, which is going to hurt you, which is going to be disappointing for you, which is going to be stressful for you, and this can disturb you in many ways. It can actually be a major heartbreak. So please try to be prepared for it, or maybe try to keep the strength. I also see that this month someone is going to be there for you. some support system is going to be there. Somebody is going to be constantly looking after you, caring for you. There's going to be support, there's going to be care. They're going to give you, whoever this is around you, they're going to give you all the strength they can from their side, and they won't leave you. This is a very good energy, the strength. That means somebody's going to handle you, somebody's going to take care of you even when you're going through all this drama or all this disappointment this month. Also, Four of Pentacles tells me that maybe you will be holding back your feelings, or somebody from you is holding back a lot of things and hiding a lot of things from you. So this month this month might be the month that some secrets are uncovered, something that has been hidden from you for a long time is finally out. And for sure, somehow, if you're in a relationship, I see that there's a third party situation going on. I'm trying to connect to a lot of people. If it resonates, take it. If it doesn't, then please let it go. Now let's see what the angel messages are here for you. Okay, again I have Three of Air, which is Three of Swords. The angel messages: great sadness, take time to heal, the need to forgive yourself or others. So for sure, some disturbing news or some shocking news, some disappointment, some betrayal is going to happen you, and you will need the strength this month to cope up with it. Maybe this can also affect your health, so please take care. And Six of Earth tells me gifts of money, time or effort, new career opportunities, receiving a loan or paying off debt. So I see that Six of Earth also tells me that there is not an equal balance in your relationship or your friendship or your work environment. Maybe you are giving too much and the other people around you or the other person is not giving the same amount. So there needs to be a balance in that, and this month might be a good month for your financial growth actually, because I do see that some new career opportunities are going to come. Maybe this is also for some people, I'm also getting the message here that maybe you're going to end a job, but somehow a new career opportunity is waiting for you. So whatever stress or whatever disappointment you deal with when you end the job, it's only because something more good is happening, more good is coming for you in the future. Please remember that. I also have Knight of Water here, which is falling in love or wedding proposals, the need to balance emotion and invitation to a social event. So even if you are dealing with this situation with your life partner who has been maybe cheating on you, or who has been hiding, not cheating, maybe hiding something, things are going to get better with them by the end of month. Yes, by the mid of the month things will get very rough, but by the end of month things are going to get better. And if not with them, you are going to meet somebody new. If you're not in a relationship, and then there's a possibility that you're going to meet somebody new, your love life is going to ascend, you're going to take a new beginning in your love life. This is what I'm getting for pile 3 Moonstone. Let's see specifically what's coming for your romantic life, because to be honest, most of the messages here are about your romantic life only. I see that career based options are very less. I mean, I see that financial growth is going to be good for you, but this month personally is going to be very stressful and very disturbing for you. Now, you deserve love, you are lovable. So even if somebody is hiding a lot from you, somebody is not treating you the way you deserve to be treated, all the guidance here is that you deserve love, you are lovable, and what you deserve you are going to get. Just have patience, have trust, this time will pass. Now, next message is getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost self to each other, your bond deepens. For some, it could be a message that if your life partner or your partner has been hiding something from you, you both will open up more, you both will reveal your innermost selves to each other, and by the end of month things are going to get better in this relationship. But for some, I'm also getting a message that if you release this relationship, release this commitment, this friendship, whatever this is with this person, when you release this, after that somebody is going to enter your life. It can start with friendship, and it can start with getting to know each other. It can start with you revealing yourself to the other person, and the other person doing the same. The equal efforts are going to be there, which were not in your previous relationship or in your current relationship, if you are in a relationship right now. Mostly this pile is actually guiding me for your personal life, that this month your personal life is going to be stressful. So I want you all to have the strength, although I also see that somebody is constantly going to be there for you, constantly take care of you, constantly give you the strength they can. Now let's see what you need to do in order to prepare yourself for this month. Secrets of secrets. Okay, so this is also telling me that for sure there are some secrets that you need to know, and this month you will be revealing a lot about your partner, or maybe this is about yourself, maybe revealing about yourself, some things about yourself, realizing some things about yourself. So this month what you need to do is that try to know yourself more, try to reveal what you actually want, try to know what you deserve. Try to know what is deep inside you. Don't let anybody treat you the way you are not supposed to be treated. You should know what your value is, and you should know that you deserve love, and you need to reveal that about you. You need to realize this about yourself, that whatever you deserve is going to come, and you need to release the negativity. Okay, now second I have gates of hell. Now this tells me that whatever happens between you and your partner, your friendship, your work environment, or anything, all you have to do is just not try to let that negativity control you or control your mind, because, or not even the anger. I see that after this disappointment, after this betrayal, there's going to be a lot of anger in you, and which is very obvious because a lot of things are hidden from you, and when it is revealed you will feel the anger. But I want you, the gates of hell explains that you need to feel safe, you need to feel relaxed, you need to have faith that whatever is happening, it's happening for the best, and it's happening only because you deserve true love, you deserve purity, and you deserve honesty. You don't deserve secrets from anybody, because you have been giving a lot to this person, to this friend, to whoever it is. Okay, now the next message here is calm meditation. This month you will need to try to connect to yourself more. You will need to meditate, you will need to be outdoors, or if not outdoors, just try to be with the plants, with the try to have some fresh air, try to release, try to just sit and meditate, calm yourself down, have a relaxing bath or anything that makes you feel better. Try to listen to music, whatever your hobbies are, try to do those in order to have this strength and in order to deal with this disappointment that you're going to face. But I also have this message for you all, that by the end of month, whatever you're going to deal with, by the end of month it is going to get better, and by the end of month you are going to realize why it happened and what was the purpose of it happening. So this is all I have for the pile 3 moonstone. I hope this resonated. If this resonated, then please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video.